Before the war, you should know the four birds who fought it. This is Naomi, the red-shouldered hawk, loud, fearless, and about to lay the egg that changes everything. Naomi does not hold this nest alone. Her mate Ezekiel is never far away, and these two do not give up a nest without a fight. This is Esther, the great horned owl. She arrived in the dark and took her time inspecting. Owls do not build nests. They take them. And Samson, her mate. He watches, he waits, and when he moves, everything at this nest changes. 4 birds, 1 nest. And before the season ended, 3 new names. Nest Wars begins August 15th. Join the story from the beginning.